If the interface e-transfer is not working in the RBC app, this is usually caused by network issues or temporary service problems. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, confirm that Interface E is enabled on your RBC account by checking the transfer settings. After that, make sure the recipient's email or phone number is entered correctly. Check for caps locks, lower keys, numbers if they are in the right positions or not. Then, check if you have reached your daily e-transfer limit. Log out of the RBC app, log back in and try sending the transfer again. Most transfer issues are temporary and fix themselves after a quick retry, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.